Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your niche market with ClickFunnels, full guide step by step clearly. First, identify your niche market and its unique characteristics. Research your target audience to understand their needs and preferences. Gather insights on competitors operating within your niche. Create a list of the products or services that will best meet your audience's demands. Sign up for ClickFunnels if you haven't done so already. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and key features of the platform. Start by building a sales funnel tailored to your niche market. Choose a funnel template that aligns with your business goals. Customize the template to reflect your brand's identity and voice. Add relevant images, videos, and copy that resonate with your target audience. Implement lead capture forms in your funnel to build your email list. Offer a lead magnet, such as a free ebook or discount, to attract potential customers. Set up an automated email sequence for nurturing your leads. Create a product or service that stands out from the competition. Develop a unique selling proposition to distinguish your offerings. Utilize ClickFunnels' built-in tools for A/B testing your funnel elements. Analyze the performance of different variations to identify what works best. Establish a strategy for driving targeted traffic to your funnel. Consider using social media, SEO, and paid advertising to reach your audience. Monitor customer feedback and adapt your offerings as needed. Protect your niche by ensuring your funnel provides value and builds trust. Conduct regular updates to your content and promotions to keep your audience engaged. Implement affiliate programs to expand your reach without compromising your niche. Leverage ClickFunnels analytics to continuously optimize your sales funnel. Ensure you understand and comply with any regulations specific to your niche. Stay up to date with industry trends and adjust your strategy accordingly. By following these steps, you can effectively protect your niche market using ClickFunnels. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.